Let's start with the first 3 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C. Let's start with A. Apple.
Apple.
Ant.
Ant.
Airplane.
Airplane.
You're doing great. Let's see how the letter A is written correctly. Now let's move to the letter B. Here are some words that start with this letter. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Book.
Book.
Ball.
Ball.
And here's how the letter B is written correctly. C. Here are a few words that start with this letter. Cake.
Cake.
Car.
Car.
Cat.
Cat.
And here's how the letter C is written correctly. Here are some words that start with D. Dog.
Dog.
Duck.
Duck.
Door.
Door.
Now let's see how to write the letter D correctly. The next letter is E. Here are some words that start with the letter E. Elephant.
Elephant.
Eagle.
Eagle.
8.
8.
And here's how to write the letter E correctly. You're doing great, little one. Let's continue, everyone. The next letter is F. Words that start with this letter include flower,
Flower.
fish,
Fish.
fox.
Fox.
Here's how to write the letter F correctly. The letter G. Here are some words that start with this letter. Giraffe,
Giraffe.
gift,
Gift.
green.
Green.
And here's how the letter G is written. The next letter is H. Words that start with this letter include house,
House.
honey,
Honey.
horse.
Horse.
And here's how the letter H is written. You're doing great, baby. I. Words that start with this letter include ice cream,
Ice cream.
iguana,
Iguana.
ice.
Ice.
Here's how the letter I is written. J. Here are some words that start with this letter. Jam,
Jam.
juice,
Juice.
jaguar.
Jaguar.
And this is how you write the letter J. Next letter is K. Here are some words that start with this letter. Kitten,
Kitten.
king,
King.
koala.
Koala.
And here's how you write the letter K. You're doing great, little one. L. Here are some words that start with this letter. Lion,
Lion.
lamp,
Lamp.
lollipop.
lollipop.
Here's how you write the letter L. M. Here are some words that begin with this letter. Mouse,
Mouse,
milk,
milk,
monkey.
monkey.
And here's how you write the letter M. Next letter is N. Here are some words that start with this letter. Nut,
Nut,
night,
night,
ninja.
ninja.
And here's how you write the letter N. You're doing great, little one. You're doing wonderfully. O. Here are some words that start with this letter. Octopus,
Octopus,
onion,
onion,
owl.
owl.
Here's how you write the letter O. P. Here are a few words that begin with this letter. Pirate,
Pirate,
pig,
pig,
penguin.
penguin.
And here's how to write the letter P correctly. Next letter is Q. Words that start with this letter. Queen,
Queen,
quilt,
quilt,
quill.
quill.
And here's how to write the letter Q correctly. You're doing great, little one. Keep learning letters with us and soon you'll know the whole English alphabet. R. Words that start with this letter. Rabbit,
Rabbit,
red,
red,
robot.
robot.
Here's how to write the letter R correctly. S. Here are a few words that begin with this letter. Strawberry,
Strawberry,
snake,
snake,
sun.
sun.
And here's how to write the letter S correctly. Next letter is T. Words that start with this letter. Toy,
Toy,
turtle,
turtle,
tree.
tree.
And here's how to write the letter T correctly. You're doing great, little one. U. Words that start with this letter. Unicorn,
Unicorn,
umbrella.
umbrella.
Here's how to write the letter U correctly. Letter V. Here are a few words that begin with this letter. Violet,
Violet,
volcano,
volcano,
violin.
violin.
And here's how to write the letter V correctly. Next letter is W. Words that start with this letter. Watch,
Watch,
whale,
whale,
wolf.
wolf.
And here's how to write the letter W correctly. You're doing great, little one. Keep learning letters with us, and soon you'll know the whole English alphabet. X. Word that start with this letter, xylophone.
Xylophone.
Here's how to write the letter X correctly. A Y. Here are a few words that begin with this letter. Yellow,
Yellow.
yak,
Yak.
yeti.
Yeti.
And here's how to write the letter Y correctly. Next letter is Z. Words that start with this letter. Zebra,
Zebra.
zoo,
Zoo.
zero.
Zero.
And here's how to write the letter Z correctly.